Welcome to Parks Pursuit. Today I'm in Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge. If you haven't already, think about subscribing to my channel. The refuge was important to saving the American bison. In 1907, the American Bison Society transferred 15 bison from the Bronx Zoo. Comanche leader Quanah Parker and a host of other Native Americans turned out to welcome the bison, which at that time had been extinct from the southern plains for 30 years. Today, the buffalo herd numbers 650. I'm hiking on a trail in the Charons Garden Wilderness. This trail required a little light boulder hopping. Today I'm exploring the Quanah Parker Lake region of the park. Yesterday I had to call it early because when I finished the Charons Garden hike it was 108 degrees and it got up to 112 yesterday. It was just too hot to do anything. If you enjoyed this video of the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge, hit the like button and think about subscribing to my channel, Parks Pursuit. Thanks for watching.